Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles makeup video. And we're going to be testing out the new Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear All Over Concealer. I saw a couple people hold this up saying it was their new holy grail, so I thought, ooh, we better try it, right? I got it in, I believe it's the lightest color. It's called Ivoire. I don't know, I-V-O-I-R-E. It's ivory, I'm sure, but it said it's a neutral, and usually ivory's a pink, so I'm glad it was a neutral. It retails for $29. It comes in 20 shades, and it says, Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear All Over Concealer is a hydrating, full coverage concealer that brightens dark under eyes and covers imperfections without creasing or caking. It's infused with skin-living ingredients. This multi-use concealer provides up to 24 hours of hydration and comfort in matte finish for a natural makeup look. So, let's get started. This is CeraVe, my moisturizer. Powder first. I didn't get the illuminating powder still. I kind of want to know, do you guys want to see me test out the Estee Lauder, the new Estee Lauder Double Wear Sheer? I don't know. To me, Estee Lauder Double Wear is known for its coverage. And basically, to me, if it's sheer, it's not Double Wear, and they should have just named it something else, I think. But if you guys want me to test it out, let me know, and I will. Okay, that's enough of that. Now the spray, let's see. We'll just use this because it needs to get used up. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Ooh. Okay, moving along. We are going to now use this primer. Hopefully there's some in here. I don't know. It was a sample one to start with, but I remember you got a lot of glow underneath. Oh yeah, there's plenty. Yay. It's purple. Oh, it's beautiful. Anyways, we're going to use TrueSkin from Catrice. Spread this out and see if our glow comes through. All right, now I'm going to go in with my sponge. All right. Oh, I can see a little bit of glow. I can't see it in this. It's just coming through. Okay, now we're going to try our concealer. And like I said, this is the new Lancome Teint Idole. Oh, it's got a big old doe foot. Teint Idole what? All day wear, something like that. All over concealer. Ultra wear all over concealer. So I'm just going to put it down here. I'm just going to put it where I always put it. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I don't have on my lashes because I'm trying to let my poor little bitty lashes grow out. And it seemed like when I was, even though I was using a serum, it didn't seem to be working. Okay, so far this is very creamy, but it does not have the coverage that I'm used to. My Pat McGrath and my Shape Tape have. But this does look kind of glowy, which, you know, maybe it's what I put underneath. But I didn't put any primer on my eyelids, and it looks glowy there too. So I'm thinking that this concealer is a little glowy. which I wanted glow because it gives you movement, but I wouldn't mind a little more coverage for the very lightest color. Look at these under eyes. They're still pretty not covered up enough. But maybe once I put my powder on it, that'll take care of that. So let's do that. Going in with my Bye Bye Pores. Not really. This is not going to be my holy grail. I mean, unless something happens, and I don't know what could possibly happen to make it have more coverage. But I am not getting the coverage that I'm used to, which is really sad because, like I said, I remember loving the Teint Idole foundation, even though I don't have it. But I'm sure I just gave it away because I have too much. And it looks okay. But I still don't think it has enough coverage for the price, especially. I mean, $29. I don't know how much I paid for my Pat McGrath. But this is supposed to be, you know, this is the lightest color. And you can't even hardly tell that it's definitely not brightening. So let's just move on and see what we can do with the rest of this makeup. We're just going to do Bobbi Brown. Go ahead and get the rest of my face done so it doesn't look like I just have a stripe down my nose. We're going to put on some, let's see, what blush do we want to use? Oh, maybe we'll use this Nars blush. I always forget it. It's just a little one that came with the lipstick, I think is what it was with it. It was just a little set, a mini set. I just want to get a light, super light dusting of this. Seems like it doesn't get much on it. Just to give me some, you know, sun. All right, and I've got so much glow going on, I probably don't need very much highlight. I can't think of the word. So, I'm just going to put some right there, a little bit right there, just because I always do. Right there. Then I'm going to grab this, blend all that together, and then we are moving on to the eyes. Anyway, we're going to do the brows. And I'm going to go into my Ka-Brow. I got a new brush. It is an Anastasia number 7B. Okay, next we are going in with our Maybelline Tattoo Liner, Gel Liner, in the color Onyx. And we are going to push line. And to push line, you put your little finger on your lid and you push. And it makes your eyelash curl up around your finger so that you can draw down between your lashes. Not in the waterline, but between the lashes. Now I'm going to take a flat brush, and from the top I'm going to wiggle it back and forth and spread that out so there's no skin showing between my lashes. And I also kind of pull it up a little bit to make a little bit of a smudgy liner line. And we are going to put on some mascara. And then I'm going to go off camera and put on some lashes because I have not put strip lashes on for a while. So we're going to put on some mascara. I'm going to use my What is this? Charlotte Tilbury. Legendary Lash. And then I'm going to put on some lashes and I'll be back. Okay, guys, I am back. This is the final look of the day, and I know these are some lashes, huh? I have not worn strip lashes on top in a long time, so I need to practice. What can I say? These are beautiful, but I think I've got them a little too far out, maybe? I don't know. I mean, they look pretty from far away. When you look up close, they're a little bit much. These are the Jubilees from Kiss Lash, and I cut 3 off the ends, but I'm thinking 4 might have been better. I like them. They're beautiful, and they definitely lift my eyes. Also, on my lips, I put this is the Tarte Juicy in Orchid. Yeah, in Orchid. That's what I have on my lips. So, anyways, so far, I am not loving the concealer, which is what we're trying. I love the BECCA underneath that glow. I can really see that coming through, and I think it's really pretty. So, anyways, I'll come back at the end of the day and let you know if anything changed with the concealer, but I don't think it's going. Hey guys, I am back. It has been a while, probably not all day, but I want to take these lashes off. I'm telling you, these lashes are freaking gorgeous. I think they're beautiful, but they are driving me insane. I now remember exactly why I started wearing them underneath. These, they're just heavy. I mean, they're not heavy, but they're bugging me. They're making me squint. They're making my eyes turn red. I just can't wait to get them off. So, anyways, this concealer. This is the Teint Idole from Lancome. Ultra Long Wear, Ultra something wear concealer. And it's okay. I mean, it's not for me. I'll just put it that way. To me, it just doesn't have enough coverage. And I got the lightest color, and it's not that light. I mean, it was light, but it just blended out. I like it. It looks okay. It just doesn't have the coverage, because when I really want to cover something, it's not going to get it. So, I don't know. If you like sheer, it definitely stayed in place. It doesn't look dry. What this lash has got a little bit of mascara on the corner there. But I mean, it's nice, but it's definitely not my holy grail. That's all I'm saying. It's like, I love my Pat McGrath. It covers, it doesn't get dry. My nose is really shiny because I'm sweating right now. It's so hot in this sweater. But it's so fall. I love it. Anyways, that's it. I'm giving it a thumbs up, but I'm also telling you, it's not up to what I expect from my concealer. There is absolutely nothing wrong with this concealer. It sinks into the skin. It doesn't move. There's no dry patches. And you guys know I didn't even use shadow on the top. I mean, I used the contour in the crease, but then I just used concealer, and it looks fine. And I may give it another try, but right now I just feel like, I mean, I'm sweating everywhere else, but I'm not sweating under my eyes, so maybe it's better than I think, right? Anyways, I am giving it a thumbs up because it is good. It's not sinking into lines or, or showing up or anything like that. As far as hot flashes go, it's doing great. But for me, it's just not quite enough. Although, I might keep it just in case I need one that's not quite enough, right? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I think I'm going to shut down my Twitter because they keep sending me stuff that I don't want. Just all kinds of random stuff, and it's like I could turn the notifications off. But I think I'm just going to get out of Twitter. So I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!